271.25 will be the lane for the taper plus deceleration lane. If we check here the original drawing, you will understand 91.25 the taper length plus 180 meter for the deceleration. If a vehicle want to go to the loop, so he will take exact the extra lane here. The extra lane width is according to our typical section already we have made. We will check this here, but I will now from here to 71.25 I will draw a circle from this point to 71.25 will be the length. So in this area where the circle will finish, I will draw a polyline from this point to where the circle is ending here. So it will end up to the yellow line of the existing road. This is our existing road. This the two new lane I have drawn. So I will color this as a center line of the loop, this line. Now this red line will connect to here, to the existing yellow line. The next width is upside 2.5 meter. So from this side I will take 2.5 meter upside as according to our I will delete now this circle to the typical. If I go to my typical here, you will see 2.5 meter outer shoulder, then 5 meter the lane width, and 1.5 meter the inner shoulder. This is the loop typical section. So according to that one, I will take offset from here, offset 2.5 meter outer side, which is my outer side is this side, and also on this side. Okay, I can join this one. So this line will be blue. If I match this line, I will this line and this line will be blue, and you will see it will connect to the edge of asphalt here, where my line finishing here in this area. As you can see, this line is finishing here. It should be up to the perpendicular to that point. If it is appearing right, just right perpendicular, and it will show you the perpendicular. So it will end up to here. So this will be the new lane. This line will be the new lane. So from this side I will trim. I don't need this two line. I will create for the other side. So from this point I will trim this line and this line also. I will trim also this line and also the yellow line, this one, because this I just created for the reference. Also I don't need this line, so because it will confuse me when I will draw the other geometry. So I will trim this line from here and from outer side from here. So now this is my new edge of asphalt. This line, this is my new, because this was the existing asphalt. So this now my new edge of asphalt, which is the in the taper meeting to here to the existing asphalt. This from here, this is the existing asphalt. So I will just copy this text from this point. Plus point of curve also the station. I will when we will create station, the base point I will copy any base point. I will copy and I will go to my drawing and I will paste here, paste to original coordinate. Now you will see here from starting from this one, this point, I will move little bit from where I have started. So this the point, this one the point where I have started 91.5 and 180 exactly finishing here, and then my loop starting here. So the inner side now connecting exactly to edge of asphalt. Now regarding to my typical section, the inside lane is 5 meters, so I will take 5 meter offset to inner side lane width, and then 1.5 meter. This will be yellow and the other one will be blue. So the shape of my loop will be like this. Now as you can see, it will connect here. This line I will trim, but now I need up to here, only up to here, so I will trim this because it will not enter this one. And I will create the ramp on this side, then we will make about this circle to concern. So also this line, the center line will connect to here, no problem, we can adjust one. But this the loop with the radius, if I check the radius of the circle is 135 meter, exactly same to the other side. Okay, for this portion from here, the yellow line, my yellow line is ending up to here. So if it is not connecting, because now I will trim this line to here, it will finish. So here in this area we will make a jump chevron as like here, as you can see the chevrons, the two places where the new and this one will connect. And we don't want that if a vehicle will go straight, it will travel straight, and if a loop, so this will be the separator, a kind of separator. So we will put here in this area a separator, this one, like I will make. But this area I will put a circle with a radius of 1 meter. It's always a 1 meter radius. Sorry, there is problem in my keyboard, so this tangent circle with a radius of 1 meter, and I put it here, this will be. So I will trim this line from if sometime it's creating problems, so you must draw a straight line and then trim it to here, this portion you don't need. So and I will match this blue line with this another blue, and from here it will be like this. Okay, now the yellow line, this the existing asphalt edge, and this the edge of asphalt, and this the yellow line existing. So the new yellow line will connect here to up to here, and then we will make chevrons here in this portion. So the vehicle will travel here, and also here this portion will be closed. I can copy, or you can create chevron. If you like, you can create. I will draw a polyline like in this shape. You can make one, and then you can just change the properties for the one with the white. Okay, the thickness, landscape. We need the thickness. This thickness is 0. I will put should be continuous. Continuous with the